Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for Thursday 30th of June. And right now Solana is already down at $32.63. And one thing I'm going to actually point out though is I'm on the 1 hour time frame, and it's like you're putting in some sort of a bearish rectangle there. So this was moving sideways like this, and on a very quick scale right now, Solana is on the verge of dropping from there to there, and you're looking for a drop all the way to the downside to $30.79. Okay, so that's where you're going to actually come up to, but it doesn't really end there. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame. We just started with the 1 hour lead. Now the 4-hour time frame is quite negative, and we do have some sort of a 3 black crows about to be printed in the next coming few hours. So what I'm going to say is that Solana is already going to retrace big time because of how Bitcoin is about to retrace all the way to $9,000. At this point, guys, what I'm going to say is take your fib retracement level from the bottom here to the top, and right now what you have is a retracement down to $31.27. If you start to lose that level, then you're going to look for a deeper retracement all the way to $19, and that's where you're going to have your next stop, probably a next big buying level, before you don't make another retracement and continue all the way down, as I said in yesterday's video, perhaps all the way down to maybe $9 or $6, $7, something like that. And that's it for this quick update, guys. The only way to be bullish once again and resume the trend is if you do actually come up here, break this level, then you're good to go. And unless you're not doing that, there's no any upside, at least for how the patterns are looking like right now. And that's it. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.